person who was made to bring solutions. I am a rock hewn from the main rock. I cannot be destroyed, neither can I be molested. I will stand out and I will win. Through the stormy waters of 2020 I will swim. I will glide through the current and get to the other side. The storm of coronavirus may rage, but I will overcome. I will be with my family and my friends. We will all make it and be safe. My friend, listen. You will live. Your journey in life is not in the hands of circumstances or the world. It was handed over to you by the Lord. Please be encouraged, and don't be despaired. Be assured, be rest assured, that your job, you won't lose it. That your wedding, you will do it. That your business, it will not fail. Just keep faith, till you win. That your journey, you will make it. The sun will rise again and your life will return. You will see the bright clouds again. You will make it again. You are the real reason the world revolves, and it won't stop until you are free. Free your mind and free your soul. You are an entity born in due season. See you at the other side of this pandemic. If you love this, please share with others and please subscribe to my channel for more of this inspirational videos.